अपनी फेवरेट फिल्मों के बारे में जानने के लिए सब्सक्राइब कीजिए फिल्म कंपेनियन लोकल पर। बेल आइकॉन दबाएं ताकि आप एक भी अपडेट मिस न करें। एक अलग ही मजा होता है जब आप एक फिल्म देखते हैं, उसे पसंद करते हैं और उसके बाद आप एक्टर से बात करते हैं। सो आई एम सो हैप्पी टू वेलकम यू टू माय शो फॉर द फर्स्ट टाइम, कृति सानन। वेलकम टू बोल बेबी बोल।
थैंक यू सो मच, थैंक यू रोहिणी। एंड यस, सब कुछ ही अलग तरीके से हो रहा है इस बार बिकॉज हमारा जो ओटीटी रिलीज है, थिएटर नहीं है, प्लस हमारी प्रीमेच्योर डिलीवरी जो हो गई है, जिसकी वजह से हम बाद में बात कर रहे हैं। बट आई थिंक इट्स इवन नाइसर बिकॉज नाउ आई एम नॉट रिस्ट्रिक्टेड कि मैं ये नहीं बता सकती, वो नहीं बता सकती। अब आप फिल्म देख चुके हो, आपको पता है, सो यू विल आल्सो कनेक्ट एंड रिलेट टू एवरीथिंग दैट आई से अ लॉट मोर.
Absolutely. First of all, let me just congratulate you on that fine performance. I must put this in context because अक्सर नहीं होता कि आप पंकज त्रिपाठी जैसे बड़े कमाल के एक्टर के साथ एक फिल्म करें and your performance gets talked about. I think वो अपने आप में एक बहुत ही बड़ी चीज है. What do you have to say about that?
I think I have to give it to firstly, the character. I think, sometimes the character gets so much love that if you have sort of done it well in that character, justified the character well, I think, it gets the appreciation. क्योंकि फिल्म ये जो है वो मिमी पे है और मिमी जो है वो central character है. जाहिर सी बात है that you will see a lot of me, a lot of shades of her. And when I have been surrounded and packaged well with so many amazing actors, and I have a director who is just emotionally so sound, and he understands comedy, but he understands emotion very, very well. So yeah, I can just say that it's overwhelming when I get a response like this. Also, ये film जो है, it's been very special to me. It's been like really close to my heart.
Yeah.
I have felt it way deeper than other films. It's been my most challenging character also, because it just had so much to do. वो कहीं से start होती है लड़की और कहीं और second half में कहीं और जाती है. So it has that graph and that curve that it gives you so much as an actor to do. So sometimes when characters give you so much, you give them back in return. When you're performing. So it's just very special and it's overwhelming when people are appreciating the performance, when you get your due as an actor. It's always that those moments kind of stay with you, and this is like a premature delivery on my birthday, so this is the best birthday gift I could have asked for.
मुझे याद है तुम्हारा एक वीडियो आया था एंड आई थिंक ये मैडॉक के पेज पर था जहां पर तुमने कहा कि आई एक्चुअली पुट ऑन वेट एंड तब मुझे पता चला कि इतना खाना होता है. देयर वर टू थिंग्स दैट तुमने कहा दिस इज कॉल्ड प्रेप, दैट्स नंबर 1 बिकॉज ये प्रेप एक्चुअली फिजिकल था तुम्हारे लिए. और दूसरा कि जब लक्ष्मण सर ने तुमसे कहा था कि मिमी मैं तुम्हारा चेहरा देखना चाहता हूँ, सिर्फ चेहरा, and I want to believe that you're pregnant. Talk to me about how इस रोल के लिए ये प्रेप जो था अलग था और तुम्हें लगा कि यार I think I grew as a performer with मिमी, तुम्हें लगता है?
Yeah, definitely. I think I want to grow as a performer, as a person, as an actor with every film. Because if you're not learning something from every project that you're doing, then you're not growing. You're just where you are. So I don't want to be stagnant, and that's my attempt every time. But कुछ ऐसे characters, कुछ ऐसी फिल्में आती हैं जो मैं ये बोल चुकी हूँ पहले भी कि आपके अंदर ना कुछ knots होती हैं जो वो खोल देती है. There are certain things, inhibitions, not inhibitions, but you just realize you get closer to your true talent, to your true potential. So I feel like this film, with the range that it had for me to do, opened some knots in me, and I suddenly realized I can go higher, I can fly higher, and that happened. There are so many things that we actors, as actors, we feel कि अरे ये हमारी potential है, ये हमारा process है, मैं ऐसे करती हूँ, हम सब सोचते हैं, and I kind of like doing like a hit and trial and trying something different that I'm not always doing. And I am actually a switch off, switch on person in front of camera. मतलब अगर रो रही हूँ और आप कट बोलो तो मैं हंसना भी शुरू कर सकती हूँ. I'm like a switch off, switch on person. I don't take my personal emotions on screen, and I don't take the emotions on screen in my life. So I have always been like that, but in this film it happened for the first time. मैं सुनती थी कि actors break down in a scene and then they're not able to control themselves and they keep crying, and that happened for the first time and it was shocking for me.
मुझे ये सीन गेस करना है, करने दोगी?
करो.
बहुत सारे सीन्स है, but I have a feeling ये वो वाला सीन है जहां पर तुम आईने में देख रही हो और तुम अपने फेस पे पाउडर लगा रही हो. Is it that scene?
It is that scene. Actually, bang on. It is that scene because that scene doesn't have any dialogues. That scene is like her peak of her frustration, her anger, her dreams getting shattered, almost like looking to yourself and without abusing, like what have you done to yourself? And and I just told Lakshman sir it was only like the powder thing was there, and it had a pre-roll of me just looking at myself and feeling that what have I done, and almost feeling like ye kya ho gaya mujhe, and taking powder and putting on my face.
Yeah.
And then I told Lakshman sir that I feel like going towards the bed and going to that wall that she always looks at, and I want to tear all the posters. So he was like, cool, do it. But I knew abhi maine ye bol diya hai, but the problem is ki ek hi take hai, क्योंकि एक बार वो फट गया तो वो फट गया, वो कुछ नहीं हो सकता उसका. So I was kind of, trying something different, and I was psyching myself with some, some memories, things that emotionally move me, hurt me. So I was trying to do that to myself psychologically. But when they said, okay, take ready, and I was walking from my vanity to the set, and I'm like, shit, मुझे कुछ feel नहीं हो रहा है, अभी जो हो रहा था वो कहाँ गया? It's not happening anymore. That's what happens with me. I don't take the emotion on set. So it was just not happening. And I was like, okay, forget it. Let me just concentrate on how I normally perform. Let me just feel Mimi and how she would be feeling at this point. And I started performing. I had some music going on, playing at that point, and I started performing. And when I screamed, I think subconsciously, क्योंकि मैंने खुद को psych किया था, there was something that came up on the surface. And I screamed and I was tearing the posters and I started crying and I was howling. I just couldn't stop. After they said cut, I tried to stop and I couldn't stop. And Lakshman sir just came like, Mimi, aap theek ho? And he like just took a U-turn because he saw me like crying so badly that he went away. And I think that is so satisfying as an actor because you suddenly feel, अरे मैं ये भी कर सकती हूँ, या मेरे साथ ऐसा भी हो सकता है. Why am I defining my process? I don't want to define it. Let me explore. And this is what magic happens when you explore. When you're not just being true to the rules and your flowchart and, this is my way. And that was very, very liberating as an actor. It was like, oh, I'm still exploring. I still haven't found it. And I love that. So
yes, and I'm so happy for you कि ये बहुत ही ज़्यादा ज़रूरी है as actors to find new things about yourself. Because as an actor आपके पास सिर्फ एक instrument है and that's your own body, and emotionally जैसे कि तुमने थोड़ी देर पहले कहा that you are an emotional person, and I think अगर हम आपको follow करते हैं Instagram पर, we know this because you write poetry, you express yourself. And what I love is when you don't like something, you also talk about it. Whether Dilip Sahab ke guzar jane par, you found the media, sort of circus extremely distasteful. Yeah. At other points, and I feel that that's very rare for an actor in today's time because kahin na kahin, you're always second guessing. You're trying to like manicure this image, right, for yourself outside there. I think वैसे, I think #NoFilter, Priti, and I think that please stay that way. That's very, very important. But let's ask you a fun question. I remember the one thing that really made me smile is that ये कहीं ना कहीं आज की फिल्म है जिसकी वजह से रणवीर सिंह का पोस्टर है, on that wall, and I love that scenes where you kind of talk to him, which is so. मुझे जानना है कि when you were growing up, तुम्हारे bedroom में किसी के पोस्टर थे? क्योंकि मैं I'm a 90s kid, मुझे आज भी मेरे भाई ने फोटो भेजी. I had scribbled दिल तो पागल है on my wall because full loser sidiness when हम लोग स्कूल में. तुम्हारे bedroom में कोई posters थे?
I had the only person's poster who I had in my room was Hrithik Roshan. After Kaho Na Pyare, I had like 2 or 3 posters. I remembered. Some had a T-shirt on, some didn't, and so I had that. But I never used to talk to him.
अच्छा.
A little
Maybe तो
और
वही है. हाँ, maybe तो maybe. You know, हम when we were growing up, बहुत ही clear, you know, number one का system हुआ करता था कि कौन number one heroine है, कौन top का hero है. I think over the last couple of years, especially in the last 2 years, जब से चीजें OTT पर चली गई हैं, I think मैदान जो है वो ज्यादा खुल गया है. It's actually a lot better because you know everyone's just doing, सब खेल रहे हैं, सबको मजा आ रहा है. You know, do you think you are in any way pressured by this sort of number one? Does it even exist anymore in the industry? मुझे पूछना है तुमसे.
I don't know. I think in number one, like a prominent number one, probably doesn't anymore. Because as you said, you know, there are more people now. There are so many films being made. There are so many platforms for which films are being made. So the number of films being made every single day is a lot more number than what it used to be. वो कहते हैं ना, किसी ने बोला था कि सुपरस्टार्स का जो दौर है वो शायद it's kind of with the Khans, it's probably the last one that's there. The term superstar, you know, that craze where people are going to watch a film more for the actor and you know, not so much for the film. I think there were times when the actors, the stars were bigger than the film, and now I think with so much content that we have, you know, on OTT platforms and elsewhere also, I feel the film has become bigger than the stars. And that's probably also the reason why you're talking like number one particular name बोल सकते हैं. I think, you know, there are people who are doing amazing work and they are known for their work, and I think that's what's important. Like for me, it's not about number one, but yes, I am very ambitious. So it is about achieving more, doing more, like getting higher in what I'm doing. So it is always that. I mean, I don't think I'm very easily satisfied with where I am usually.
No, it's a rare combination, which is ambition बहुत लोगों में होती है, लेकिन sensitivity के साथ ambition को रखना, I think, you know, that's something we'll have to ask you. How do you manage that? But what I do want to ask you is, इस दौर में जब there is no clear number one, success के terms क्या हैं? You know, खास करके तुम्हारे लिए, what do you think a Mimi will do for you? What do you wish it does for you? For example, you know, can you command your price now? Because we've spoken about this before, where you've been vocal about the fact that, you know, yes, there is a, you know, pay disparity. अब क्या लगता है कि क्या बदलेगा इसकी वजह से? क्या बदलना चाहती हो तुम?
आपका जो प्राइस है वो सिर्फ उस बात पे डिपेंडेंट होना चाहिए कि आप कितने ऑडियंसेस जो हैं वो अपने बल पर थिएटर में खींच पाते हो. तो आपकी फिल्म, यू नो, अगर आप वो नंबर्स ला पा रहे हो अपने प्रोड्यूसर के लिए, तो वो जेंडर पे डिपेंडेंट नहीं होना चाहिए कि आप मेल हो या फीमेल हो. इट शुड जस्ट बी डिपेंडेंट ऑन योर टैलेंट, यू नो. एंड अगर आप सेम नंबर ऑफ ऑडियंस लेके आ रहे हो, आपकी फिल्म उतने ही नंबर कर रही है, उतने पैसे ला रही है टू योर प्रोड्यूसर जितने एक मेल एक्टर के ला रही है, तो इट शुड बी बैलेंस्ड एंड सेम. सो आई थिंक आई ऑलवेज बिलीव दैट. तो मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि शायद आई थिंक हम एक्टर्स को कभी कभी प्रूव करना पड़ता है दैट, यू नो, ओके, मैं ये अपने बल पे कर सकती हूँ, तो आप मुझ पे पैसे लगा सकते हो क्योंकि मैं आपको पैसे वापस लाके दूंगी. इट्स अ बिजनेस एट द एंड ऑफ इट, यू नो. सो आई जस्ट फील कि I hope अभी तो मैं I'll have to see what happens after Mimi, but yeah, I think बहुत important है even for all the women in general to value themselves, you know, to know कि आपकी वैल्यू क्या है, आप क्या टेबल पे ला रहे हो, और to just know that you're worth it firstly. तो कहीं हमको भी अपना we need to put our foot down कि, you know, I am worth it, and if this doesn't work for you, okay, fine, sorry, you can maybe take someone else.
You know, Kriti, it also, you know, there's so much on the internet. If you type Kriti Sanon, एक article बहुत ही funny था, which was the 10 best dance numbers of Kriti, and of course, right on top now is Param Sundari, which I think is a superior song. Rahman, Shreya Ghoshal, all of it, and you know, you on the screen. But I'm very curious to know. You know, I know for a fact that for an actress, when you are prepping for a dance number, is there something that you want to share with us? कि what is the mindset? अगर तुम्हें पता है 7 दिन बाद तुम्हें एक डांस नंबर शूट करना है, क्या होता है?
I mean, एक तो होता है कि क्या कपड़े पहन रहे हो, because I eat everything. So for me ये होता है कि okay, is my midriff showing in this? So I'll start controlling what I eat. You know, otherwise I am a foodie, I'm a Punjabi, मैं सब खाती हूँ, तो मेरा कोई diet नहीं है. So that is one thing that plays on my mind. उसके अलावा ऑनेस्टली मुझे डांसिंग तब से पसंद है जब से मुझे पता नहीं था कि मैं एक्ट कर सकती हूँ.
Yeah.
तो बचपन से डांसिंग पसंद है, मैंने कथक सीखा है, मुझे बहुत मजा आता है डांसिंग में. आई थिंक फॉर मी इट्स ऑलमोस्ट थेरेप्यूटिक एंड आई लव डांसिंग. सो व्हेन आई एम शूटिंग अ सॉन्ग एंड आई गेट टू डांस, मैं आई हैव अ डिफरेंट एनर्जी, आई हैव अ डिफरेंट हाई एंड आई फील कि अगर आप एंजॉय कर रहे हो डांस तो वो दिखता है. तो I think for me the most important thing is to enjoy the dance. It's not about 1, 2, 3, 4. It's not about the steps so much. It's about enjoying it. It's about also dancing from here, because that's what I believe, that's when the audience connects with you more. I think I've always been a Madhuri Dixit fan, and I've always seen her expressions and copied her expressions, from TV. And I totally remember that. And I feel that she was one person who used to have so much grace, but she used to dance full dil se, not only from her body but also from her face. And I think that is something that I've always felt connected me to her.
And I think that's what it is, because I completely clickbait. मैंने वो article पूरा देखा, सारे गाने देख लिए. It was almost like going down, the history of Kriti Sanon in the movies dancing. It was so great. Some 10 great dance numbers. I'll send it to you. I'll send you the article. It's so much fun. It's so much fun. But I know it's a very exciting 2021, 2022 तुम्हारे लिए. And I'm so glad we're speaking right now, because hey man, we're going to talk a lot more in the coming months. बहुत सारी फिल्में आ रही हैं. आदि पुरुष है, and I think आदि पुरुष को लेकर इतनी बातें चली हैं that कहीं ना कहीं finally when we figure that you're going to play Sita, we are very happy, because a very likable person, we like you. Okay, so that's a big tick mark, that's a big win. And also ये रोल पता नहीं क्यों हिंदुस्तान के लिए बहुत मायने रखता है कृति. Like everybody is so I don't know, emotional, touchy. तुम्हें लगा था कि ये एक प्रेशर पॉइंट था, टू स्टेप इनटू आदि पुरुष तुम्हारे लिए?
मैंने एक्चुअली आज प्रेशर पॉइंट तो नहीं लिया था. आई फेल्ट इट वाज अ बिग ऑनर, एंड आई फेल्ट दैट what I'm getting to play and what I'm getting to do, not too many people can claim that, and yes, there is a little bit of just pressure of not crossing boundaries or not hurting anyone's sentiments. जैसा कि आपने बोला, बहुत लोगों के sentiments attached हैं इस कहानी से, इस character से. हम ये कहानी कितनी बार देख चुके हैं, टेलीविजन में, एंड बचपन से हमको पता है. So I think there's a little weight to the character. So you have to just keep yourself in check कि आप कुछ गलत तो नहीं कर रहे हो, या आप हल्का सा भी कुछ ऐसा ना करो जो उस कैरेक्टर की इमेज से ना जाए. But I think मैं ये पहले भी बोल चुकी हूँ. I think I'm just blessed that I'm surrounded with the correct people, with people who have that respect and themselves, and they have done the full research, where it's being made with very, very good intentions, and keeping all the respect and all the aura of every character in mind. So I just hope that we end up doing well.
I think what's coming up is also outside of this film. Bachchan Pandey hai, there's Bhediya, and I think I'm looking forward to Bhediya the most, because I love Varun and I really love the sort of film that it seems to be. So as a fan of the movies, I'm looking forward to that. Bachchan Pandey, of course, a fun film. Okay, looks like from the outset. There's also Hum Do Hamare Do, बहुत सारे projects हैं. But if I had to ask you at this point to pick one that you were most excited about, तो वो कौन सी फिल्म होगी? Not in terms of what it will do for you, but just as someone who's now in the movies and you're like, यार मुझे ये करने का मौका मिला, रो, I think I'm gonna have such a blast with this.
It's very hard for me to choose one, honestly. Of course, Adipurush is gonna be extremely special. It does come with a little pressure. It does scare me a little bit, honestly speaking, because of the character it is. And वो जैसा कि मैंने बोला कि वो बहुत लोगों को नहीं मिलता है मौका जो मुझे करने का मिल रहा है. So that of course has a different level of excitement. बाकी I would just say that every character, what I'm blessed as an actor at this point, कि every character is so away from each other. I can't overlap any character and say ये और ये एक जैसे हैं. नहीं है. वो genres भी बहुत अलग हैं. Bachchan Pandey में मेरा जो role है, I play a director, and there's so much meat to that role. You know, she takes the story forward in a way, and there's a lot that I get to do as an actor, and the dynamics that my character has with Akshay sir's character is very unique, not seen before. And Bhediya mein, I would say my look is the most different. I can't tell you anything because I'm not allowed to. It's too soon.
I know.
But when you see me, you'll be like, you'll take a double take where you'll be like, oh, that's her. That's going to happen a little bit, which I'm actually very excited about. It's my first horror comedy. I've never done a horror comedy before, and this character, the way the character looks, is itself very, very exciting. I get to do action for the first time in Ganpat, so that is something that again I've not done before. You know, so for that particular aspect, I'm really thrilled because I don't know how it's going to be. I know it will require a lot of prep. I look very athletic. I'm not at all. So I'm not athletic at all. So ये मेरे साथ बहुत बार होता है जब हम ऐसे games खेल रहे होते हैं, you know, especially बच्चन पांडे के set पे और Houseful में भी, Akshay sir has this tendency of playing like a lot of games. So वो टीम बांटते हैं ना कि अच्छा तू बोल तुझे कौन चाहिए टीम में, तो मुझे लोगों को लगता था ये लंबी है, एथलेटिक लग रही है, इसको ले लो, और लेने के बाद ये तो रियलाइज आया है इसका तो स्पीड टाइम डिस्टेंस कोऑर्डिनेशन नहीं है. So
I know for a fact कि जब इंसान अपने साथ रहता है, खास करके लॉकडाउन में, when you're by yourself, when you're alone, you can write, you know, because writing is a form of expression. What I really want to know, Kriti, is that in the last 4 days, जब से तुम्हारा बर्थडे था, we're speaking after the release of Mimi, it's been a whirlwind. In these 4 days, जब कोई खुश होता है, तो क्या पोएट्री निकलती है?
पता नहीं यार, मुझे अभी टाइम ही नहीं मिला पोएट्री लिखने का, ऑनेस्टली. मेरा माइंड इतना ज्यादा ऑक्यूपाइड था. आई थिंक फॉर पोएट्री either you need to suddenly feel like an emotion or you know, a thought comes to you. The poetry that I've written on Mimi, like there are 2 poetries that I've posted, so those I've written in this period, you know, when I looked back at myself, at the time when I was just starting the film. What was I going through? What was I saying to myself? What is something that I wanted to say to Mimi, but somewhere I was saying it to myself? तो वो कुछ वो पोएम्स जो है वो मैंने रिसेंटली लिखी थी जब मैं अपने एक्सपीरियंस के बारे में सोच रही थी. तो वो होता है. बट हाँ, यू आर राइट. आई थिंक पोएट्री के लिए थोड़ा क्रिएटिव माइंड को थोड़ी सी जगह चाहिए होती है. अभी कोई जगह नहीं है, बहुत कुछ हो रहा है.
थोड़ा सी ठहराव की जरूरत होती है. एंड यू नो, we've lived a life of ठहराव until you were shooting, until you were back to set. It's been a really, really tough year for everybody. But you know, you have been able to express yourself, and I think that's why a lot of people connected with you over the last 1 year. So I just want to keep that in mind, because I think that social media side of you has been very, very open, and I think it's a rare quality, जिसकी वजह से आज मिमी को इतना प्यार मिला है, because Mimi has been an extension of the person that you are, Kriti, and I think that's what we have to keep in mind. I'm so excited for you. I'm so excited for the actor that you are, and I do wish that with every film that comes, we get a chance to talk. That's number 1, and that you have a great time in the movies, because ye mere liye, that's all I wish for you, and I hope that happens for you.
Thank you. That's so sweet. But seriously, like right now, I feel like it is probably the most exciting phase of my life as an actor, and I'm just trying to soak in every bit of it. And it's just so nice to like talk to people like you and kind of feel that motivation as well. I like when I see the happiness on your face for me, and I see that it's genuine. It just really means a lot.
Yes, it does. And I hope that this is going to be the one of many, many congratulatory interviews that we can do in the future. So thank you so much for speaking with me today.
Thank you, Rohini. It was lovely talking to you.